Now retrieve the axe. 3X, and then circle retrieve to, I think it's X. Oh no, L1 to aim. A little green dog.
Oh, got him.
And then circle, and it should come flying back here. Oh, sorry, triangle. How cool is that, eh? You get, and the axe gets upgraded, so it gets better and better. And then you get things around these arms with blades. Then you can. You have to get your dad to buy this game. But get God of War 1 first. Let's go to the full story.
Only fire when I tell you to fire.
I'm sorry.
Do not be sorry. Be better. Fight it.
Alright, I forgot.
We just stopped now. Kids, do you need a light on, Billy? Really?
Yeah.
Hey,
Great graphics, eh? Like.
hey.
He holds his own though. He's good with big dogs, so I had to.